If the code is correct, the cylinder can be pulled out. To set a new code, the cylinder must be open and the base must be removed. This is best done with 2 small screwdrivers. It is extremely important to proceed carefully so that the hooks do not break off. Tighten the hook until it is no longer jammed and remove the base. Do not bend too much, but only so far that the outer cylinder is no longer blocked. Then you can turn the base and pull it out. Once the base has been removed, you can readjust the rings individually. To set the code, the notch must be centered to the new letter. To achieve this, you can push out the inner ring, turn it to the correct position, and press it back together. Make sure that it is completely pressed together again and lies flat. The cylinder can now be reassembled. To do this, the 5 rings are pushed onto the inner cylinder. To close the cylinder again, the base is attached to the cylinder at an angle so that the lugs match. This is the easiest way to assemble it. Then use the screwdriver to push the small hook in slightly. The base can now be closed completely and locked in place with a small twist. If you have now set the correct code, the inner cylinder will slide in. Have fun with it!